Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both devices, check the Xuv700 infotainment firmware, and make sure Bluetooth is active. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and open Settings General CarPlay. Allow new connections. Plug the Lightning or USB-C cable into the car's USB port labeled for data. Don't use a charging-only port. Once connected, look for a CarPlay prompt on the screen. If the phone asks to trust the car, tap Trust. This begins the handshake and moves you to the next step. Now you handle pairing. On the Xuv700 display, choose CarPlay from the connection options when prompted. Your iPhone will show a pairing code. Verify it matches the car's display and tap Pair. Allow the requested permissions, like contacts, messages, maps, and microphone, because CarPlay needs those to work properly. Once done, the CarPlay interface should appear. If it's the first setup, arrange apps using the phone's CarPlay settings so your most used apps are front and center. Finish by testing core functions. Start navigation in Maps, place a phone call, and play audio to confirm full integration. If CarPlay fails to appear, disconnect, restart the iPhone and the Xuv700 infotainment. Reconnect after both boot. If problems persist, swap to a known good data-capable cable or check for a wireless CarPlay option in settings. Enabling or disabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone can reset the connection. One key troubleshooting tip: update the car firmware and iOS to the latest versions before repeating setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.